Failures and success. It has generally been seen that most of the people do not attain success easily, or they generally do not attain success at all, or attains success after too much delay, too much hard work, or too much suffering. Why is it so? It is simply because the mind and the body by which one has to attain the desired success lacks in the basic qualities needed for that success. At birth, we are gifted with a prototype body and prototype mind. They are very basic. They are just related with subsistence level or with bare survival, not more than that. And generally, we tend to decide our aim or goal or dream based on seeing the physical form of the dream or the position which we want to attain. But from what is appearing about the dream, we cannot decide that we have that quality to attain that dream or not. So the person starts suffering and keeps losing and keeps failing all the time without knowing that they are not appropriate for that goal or how they can achieve that goal. So we come to a point where we realize that either the problem is in the body, it is the physical problem which is limiting us from achieving our dreams, or it is the problem in the mind or the operating system which runs this body, or it can be both, as both are related with one another. If body is hampered, it will obviously hamper the mind, and if mind is hampered, it will obviously hamper the body. So what is the way? The way is yoga. In yoga there are three things: the body, the mind, and the energy. By increasing the inflow of energy in the body and judiciously using it to rectify the problems of the body and the mind, and more accumulation of energy in the body, we rectify all the problems which are our limitations and which stop us from attaining our goals, and hence we become a winner or a conqueror, and we attain our dreams which was impossible earlier. This is about success and failure, and why we fail and why we succeed. Those people whom you generally see that they succeed very easily or in the first chance or by luck, they are simply the cases where they got the body and the mind which was in harmony for the goal, or they had some qualities in them which was the requisite for the goal, so they attained it very easily. This is just the difference.